if you're not trying to be my bestie now, you most definitely gonna be my bestie later, okay? So you already know what it is. Go ahead and tell your friends to get with my friends so we can be friends. Now let's get this video started. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Y'all get this video a like, cause y'all gonna like this. Ooh, don't mind my hair look a little crazy right there. But like this video, comment, okay, cause y'all see the title, y'all see that good old food as that thumbnail. So y'all already know what it is. Today we doing a different video. We in the kitchen and we about to cook. And you know, cooking with your girl Ling. If y'all didn't know, that's my nickname. So anybody that you see come on the channel and they like Ling, that's me. But we about to start cooking and we are making stuffed salmon today. So we making stuffed salmon today. That's what we making. So yeah, y'all need to like this video right now. And y'all better try this and tell me in the comments what y'all think about my recipe, because I know it's fire. Anybody that ever had my stuff, they'll tell you from jump that it's fire, period. So we're gonna hop straight into it. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients, how I make it, and boom, and you can serve it up with, I usually do like rice or something. No, I'm lying. My stuffed salmon, I usually do like some mashed potatoes and like green beans or some asparagus, something like that. I'm not doing all that today. I'm just showing y'all how I make the stuffed salmon, because that's what y'all here for. Y'all not here for the whole meal. Like, y'all want to see me do a regular cooking, dinner and stuff. That'll be like in vlogs and stuff, y'all know. But yeah, so we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients and what you guys are gonna need, okay? Okay, so these are the ingredients that you're going to need for this. So I'll let y'all take a screenshot. Go ahead and take a screenshot of the seasonings y'all gonna need. Okay, and then you're gonna need some cream cheese, of course your salmon. You want to make sure you got a thick piece. See how it's like thick? You want a thick piece so you can stuff it. And then I have mozzarella, and then this is the Italian blend. Those are the ones I like to use. And then some spinach. Okay, so now I'm gonna start off washing hands. Wash your hands, because it's gonna be dirty out here. Board. I'm gonna move these seasonings and stuff out the way, and I'll tell y'all each one that I use as I use them. And you're also gonna need some oil. The oil is hold on, y'all. My bad, y'all. So you're also gonna need some olive oil so that the seasoning can stick. But yeah, you're gonna need some olive oil so the seasoning can stick to the salmon. And I'm gonna just get my pan and stuff out for right now. So when it's time, it's quick and easy, Alright. Ain't gonna need a bowl. I'm just all over the place. So you need a bowl to mix it up. What you're gonna stuff. What we're gonna start with first is what you're going to be stuffing, and I seasoned my stuffed mixture. So I got the cream cheese here. I'll take that. Open this up. I don't know. Do y'all cut it? Like, cause I always cut like a hole into the damn cream cheese when I open it. I don't know, I think it's probably a way to open it, but I don't do that. So yeah, ooh, I stuck on my finger. So since it's not, you know, a lot, and I'm only doing one piece of salmon, I'm just gonna take that, and then I'm gonna take, I have frozen spinach. You can do fresh spinach as well if you want to. That's cool too. I don't know, I just always done frozen spinach. It's gonna melt anyway. So you're gonna use your hand. You're gonna mix that up. Gonna mix it in here. Now, yeah, it's frozen, so it's gonna be hard to mix, but it be mixing, y'all. I'm telling y'all. But really, I got a little bit because Like I said, it's only one piece that's getting mixed. This is messy. This is a messy thing. So if you're not trying to be messy and you're trying to be cute, girl, you better go somewhere else. Go to a different video. Go to the next video. That video not messy. But you know, you gotta get your hands dirty if you want that good food. I'm gonna rinse my hands off so I can grab the cheese and stuff. Y'all, do y'all like cooking? Cause I like cooking. I'm trying to get better into like cooking regularly, or at least like dinner and stuff all the time. Cause me, I am really bad at like eating meals, like eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's a lot for me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Okay, so now we got, this is the mozzarella. I'm taking the mozzarella. I like stuffed cheesy. The mozzarella is just a bitter green. And then we just gonna put a little bit of the Italian. And then let me start seasoning too. I season it, so I use some pepper. And then I use the Tony's, only the seasoning. Oh, it's not open. I use the Tony's, the only seasoning, no salt. Put a little bit of that in there. Now, you know, do it at your own like risk. Like if you want it spicy, like how spicy you want it, because it can get spicy. So I'm gonna do some all right, y'all, I got some extra stuff as well. This is options. Well, onion, I forgot to tell y'all, I always put onion in the mixture as well, but you could add some peppers too if you want to. So I don't know if I'm gonna throw those in there or not. I'm gonna just keep it how I do it. Yeah, but you could throw, you know, you could really stuff it with whatever you want. Oh, I thought I was about to dry my onion. So yep, we're gonna cut the onion. We're gonna put it in here, and now we're gonna mix it. So this is what we're gonna be stuffing into the salmon. Garlic. Add some garlic powder in there. And then a little bit of seasoning. Oh, y'all heard my stomach, I'm hungry. Okay, move this out the way. Oh, be careful now. Almost cut that through. Alright. I'm gonna rinse it off. Okay, now we got our salmon. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on it. That was a little bit too much, but it's okay. Boom. Now I'm gonna go with Salmon. Not too much, but if you want it spicy, you can put as much as you want. The Tony's, no salt. And some lemon pepper. I don't really like this lemon pepper, it's too thick. With some onion powder. Oops. Rub it in, a little garlic powder. Rub it in. Pepper. I don't know why I'm using so much of this stuff. Adobo, however you say it. And just a little bit of salt. And then you go, oh, I'm about to cut the dang salmon down the middle. And then you're gonna turn the knife to the side and like, it's like you slicing the top layer off a little bit. But don't cut it off for real. You just take it and you slice it like this. Just so you can lift that up so you can stuff it. And then you want to go in on the other side and do that as well. So then it's something to fold when you stuff it. Like that. Now that's how I ain't gonna do too much because you see it's right there. But that's what's gonna get stuffed. We're gonna take our mixture and we'll stuff it. Now I probably made too much, but you can have it falling over. And you can put it in the oven too if you want to. But I think that's, should I do that? So I'm gonna put it in the oven today, actually. Yep. So we're gonna set the oven to 400. Let that preheat, and then after that preheats, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to be doing. Get some butter, and where I'm gonna have the salmon, I'll just put that on there so it don't stick or anything, and because just in case it's gonna move or something. So don't play with how much butter I'm putting on there. And just gonna take it, put it right on there, and I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil over it to get it some coverage. I don't want to put so much here, so. There we go. Make it a little more crispy. So boom, and now we're gonna put it in the oven. It's at 400. Let me show you. The oven is at 400, and we're gonna do this for, I'm gonna do 20 minutes, but I'm gonna just be checking it to make sure it don't like burn or anything. So yeah, so it's in the oven. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much it for the stuffed salmon. It's pretty simple, and I'll show y'all what it looks like when it's done. Okay, y'all, we had some trouble getting it out the oven, but ding, stuffed salmon, this is what it's looking like. And you can also, if you want it more crisp, you could put it in the air fryer. If you want it more crisp, or like I said, you can put it in the pan and stuff. And I'm mad that it like came out ugly like that. Don't look at my background. But I'm mad that it came out ugly like that. Like, but you know what? It's okay. It's the first time that it came out like that. We just gonna put a little parsley on there, and boom, there we go. So that is it for this video, you guys. So like I said, you can put this with some mashed potatoes and some vegetables, or you can do like some rice, or if you want to, you can do noodles, I guess. That's what you want to do. I never did it with noodles, but you can, most definitely I'll do it with mashed potatoes and vegetables on the side. But yep, that's the end of this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. Y'all give this video a like, a comment, and share this video. Go follow your girl on all social media platforms. They have been here, are right here the whole time. And yeah, DM me, leave me comments on what y'all want to see next. Any questions y'all have, if y'all try it out, how y'all like it, cause the girl ain't had no complaints so far. But if it ain't your taste, it ain't your taste. But over here, we like it over here. So I don't know why I just sounded like that, but okay, you guys, I'm out.